Our bodies are amazing machines. A machine that is constantly working to combat the environmental and biological stresses attacking it. We breathe in pollution. Our body works to filter it out. We get hot or cold. Our body works to regulate itself. We get sunburned, sick, or injured, and our body works to repair itself. But like any machine, just doing what it is designed to do eventually leads to wear and tear. And therefore, the longer it works, the less effective it becomes. It gradually begins to break down. And in the case of our bodies, we age. But what if that weren't the case? What if you could flip the tables so that as your body does what it is designed to do, it actually became more capable of dealing with the environmental and biological stress? It sounds amazing, doesn't it? Well, you don't have to imagine it, because that world is here. Introducing Lifevantange, a publicly traded company at the forefront of Nutrigenomics. Using nutrition and naturally occurring compounds to improve your gene expression for a healthier and potentially longer life. Our first breakthrough in nutrigenomics came with the discovery of the NRF2 protein, also known as a master regulator of the body's stress response. Now, aging and many of its unwanted problems are linked to the breakdown of our body cells caused by oxidative stress, damage from an overload of free radicals. Our patented Protandim NRF2 synergizer stimulates the NRF2 protein, resulting in the body producing its own powerful protective antioxidant enzymes, and is the only supplement proven in a clinical study to reduce oxidative stress in humans by an average of 40% in 30 days, therefore reducing lipid peroxidation to the level of a much younger individual. A recent peer-reviewed study from Washington State University calls NRF2 activation one of the most extraordinary therapeutic and preventative breakthroughs in the history of medicine. In a $3.4 billion antioxidant supplement industry, Protandim stands out as the key to making antioxidants rather than taking them. But there's another problem linked to aging that you need to fix: the breakdown of your mitochondria. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of your cells. They make adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, the fuel that pumps your heart, supports muscle growth, and encourages healthy brain function. And because mitochondria are the source of 95% of your body's energy, as your mitochondria decay, so does your energy level. Protandim NRF1 Synergizer is a new breakthrough that supports mitochondria production and reverses the impact of cellular aging. When you combine both Protandim products, you reduce oxidative stress and help your body support mitochondria production so that you can have healthy, energetic, and youthful cells. Being the industry leader in NRF2 and NRF1 technology isn't the only reason we are at the forefront of nutrigenomics. Our next breakthrough was when we leveraged our unique knowledge of the NRF2 protein and developed an industry-first NRF2 enhanced skincare beauty system. True science. A multi-step system that takes years off your appearance with long-term anti-aging benefits. Our patented composition utilizes NRF2 technology and natural ingredients to bring back that youthful glow of beauty to your skin. And it is so effective, you won't believe the results until you try it yourself. A further breakthrough in nutrigenomic research led to the formulation of Physique, a comprehensive approach designed to recharge and balance your body's natural weight management system. The Physique system supports optimal digestion and immune function and is a safe solution to burn stubborn fat from your body. Combined with a balanced diet and exercise program, Physique is the smart way to meet your weight management goals. An additional breakthrough in nutrigenomics was when Lifevantange discovered a way to unlock your brain's potential with Axio Smart Energy. Axio takes a different approach to energy, specifically formulated to give energy to your mind, not just your body. We understand that when you feel tired or sluggish, the problem isn't simply waking up your body, it's addressing the mental fogginess and fatigue. Engineered with Nerf2 ingredients, Axio is a brain performance product with ingredients specifically chosen to provide long-lasting power, enhance concentration and focus without the crash from sugary beverages and snacks or those stressful jitters often experienced with energy drinks or supplements. Axio Smart Energy comes in regular or decaf. Using the same groundbreaking anti-aging science as Protandim Nerf2 Synergizer in a dog-friendly formulation, Tandem delivers the health your best friend needs to stay active for longer. It's a human approach to healthier dogs. Reviewed and approved by animal health consultants, Tandem for Dogs is proven to give our four-leggeds more time for tummy rubs and tail wagging. You see, like humans, every cell in a dog's body contains a protein called Nerf2. When activated by Tandem, over 200 genes get to work, repairing cells and creating powerful enzymes that protect them from future cellular stress. Tandem supports joint function, mobility, and flexibility in man's best friend. In other words, all that chewing doesn't have to slow down. Our insatiable appetite to understand the power of nutrigenomics has led to breakthrough products that have been highlighted on national television networks like ABC, NBC, and PBS. They have also been reported in the Wall Street Journal and in peer-reviewed studies published in major medical journals. Our products stand out as leaders of innovation in the $37 billion supplement market, the $50 billion energy drink market, the $121 billion skincare market, and the $300 billion anti-aging industry. Exclusively available through our independent distributor network. Ask the person who invited you to view this information how to purchase any of these products, or how you too can build your own Lifevantange business and put nutrigenomics to work for you. Lifevantange, at the forefront of nutrigenomics.